Magandang hapon po na September 19, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 19, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, September 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 19, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 61 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 18 million pesos for Thursday, September 19, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for September 19, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.